Now, if you are having an issue where you've seen that you are over applying or you are under applying, it might have to do with the Flowmeter calibration number. So the first thing you want to do is go to your settings, hit your rate sensor setup, see what that flow calibration number is, and then your Flowmeter units, pulses, should be set to gallon. Make sure your Flowmeter low limit is set to 0. You should always have that set to 0. Don't ever have another value in there. Always leave your Flowmeter low limit at 0. So depending on your Flowmeter calibration number, that depends on the model Flowmeter you have and the flow range of that Flowmeter. So you can refer to the manual that came with the pump system. On the sticker where the serial number is, you will have the flow cal number written down for your Flowmeter. There should also be a chart inside the manual. You can compare that with the model of the Flowmeter you have, but also on the sticker of the Flowmeter itself, the Flowmeter calibration number should be on that as well. So a few different spots where you can find that Flowmeter calibration number. For this Flowmeter I have, for its flow range, the flow cal number should be 11355, and that's correct. So I should be putting out the right amount. But say if you had 2,500 in there instead of this 11355, then even if your Flowmeter cal number is off, your controller can still tell you that you're putting out the right amount, even though you're putting out the wrong amount. So the higher that calibration number is, the more product the pump will put out, even though your screen will tell you that you're putting out the right amount. So that leads to an over application. Now, if this number were down to 500 instead, your screen still might tell you that you're putting out the right amount, but really you under applied. You have too much fertilizer left over. So you want to double check that calibration number and make sure you're putting out the right amount. Now, in the very rare occurrence that the Flowmeter cal number is correct for the Flowmeter model that you have, but you're still putting out the wrong amount, say if you're over applying by 30%, then you can take your calibration number, reduce that by 30%, do a catch test again, and then see if you're catching the right amount. And if you are, then you can leave that as your calibration number. Like 99% of guys never have to touch this calibration number. If you're switching between different fertilizers and their different weights, you shouldn't have to change your flow calibration number. For most people, you never have to touch it. But that might be one circumstance where you might have to change it.